This is a very spacious living room. You can have a check. Your very spacious kitchen. Platforms on both the sides. So this is your very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be giving you the sample flat tour of Mangeshi World by Mangeshi Group. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. This is the road which takes you to Khadakpada Highway. And you can check out the neighborhood, guys. Before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which will lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here, which connects you directly with builders. Because on Housey, listing is done directly by developers and not by the brokers. So buy your dream home now with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project has 4 towers with ground plus 23 floors with a configuration of 1 and 2 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, it has 10 plus very amazing amenities including gym, workstation, clubhouse and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Chikanghar, Rambagh with Khadakpada Highway at a distance of just 400 meters, with Kalyan railway station at a distance of just 10 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Now let's check out the sample flat. So now let's go and check out our sample flat within square feet area of 480. So as we enter, this is a very spacious living room. You can have a check. This is your sofa area. Here is your TV unit. Moving ahead, the best part about this living room is attached balcony. You can see a quite spacious balcony with an open view outside. You can have a look at that as well. As we go ahead, this is your dining area. You can easily place your 4-seater dining area over here. Let's go ahead. This is your wash basin area. And right besides your wash basin area is your first common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings attached. Moving ahead, this is your very spacious kitchen, platforms on both the sides. And there's good amount of space here for your cabinets, for you to store your stuffs, your utensils and etc. Moving ahead, we get dry balcony attached to the washroom. You can have a look. The best part about this kitchen is that they are giving you 2 areas. One is your washing machine area, and where the platform ends, this is your refrigerator area where you can easily place a refrigerator and still there's so much walkable space left. Now we'll be checking our master bedroom. But before checking our master bedroom, let me tell you the key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, sample flat videos and actual flat videos, payment and EMI schemes, pros and cons of buying this project and 360-degree location tour. All these amazing features are available on housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book your free site visit today with Housey. Come now, let's check the master bedroom. So this is your very spacious master bedroom. As you can see, after placing a king size bed, there's still so much movable space in this room. You get attached French windows and a balcony attached as well. You can have a look. Again, open view from your balcony, so you can have your tea, coffee. There's good amount of ventilation in every room. This is your cupboard space, so they have given good amount of cupboard space for you to store your belongings. And this is your attached washroom, again with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. The best part about this house is that you get vitrified tiles in the whole apartment. So this was the sample flat tour of Mangeshi World by Mangeshi Group. To get more details about this project, don't forget to check the comment section. And to know about more such amazing projects, please check the icon button. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.